What is a bot? Put simply, bots are computer programs you typically interact with through written or spoken language that are meant to make your life a little easier. They take mundane tasks off your plate, such as reminding you to take an umbrella if it's going to rain, or to call your mom on her birthday. They can also take over other needlessly frustrating things like booking travel, remembering to pay your bills, or other communications that used to be relegated to annoying automated phone operators. Given the increasing trend of texting as a primary form of communication, these bots are infiltrating many fields such as customer service, banking, and healthcare. You may soon find that you're chatting with bots more often than your best friends. But bots are nothing new and date back to the early beginnings of computing. The earliest chatbot was programmed at MIT in 1964. Its name was Eliza, and it simplistically simulated a chat with a psychiatrist. Today, there are a wide array of high-powered bots, such as Apple's Siri, IBM's Watson, Amazon's Alexa, and Microsoft's Cortana. While these bots are the best of the best and run on cutting-edge artificial intelligence programming, the ones you're likely going to chat with inside Messenger apps will be much simpler. So how do these bots work? All bots require input from the user. How they respond to that information depends on their complexity. Chatbots typically scan text looking for phrases or words that the bot is programmed to recognize and respond to accordingly. These bots are fairly simple and can be easily derailed by statements made out of context or common human errors, such as unusual sentence structure or spelling mistakes. Learning natural language is tough work, whether you're a baby or a bot, and it takes time for the chatbots to become fully conversational and recognize online shorthand. Some bots even take the easy road, offering only a limited number of responses to choose from. Smarter bots use a more sophisticated natural language processing system and are much better at identifying the different elements in a sentence and understanding how they relate. Some of these smarter bots can even learn from their interactions with people. The more communication they have with the users, the more natural their chat interactions become. The most sophisticated bots can also learn from social media interactions, news articles, or other text-based stories in an attempt to learn context, history, and ethics. So when will these bots become my new best friend? Whether we're talking about complex AIs or simple bots that just tell you the weather, chatbots are foreseen as the future of how we use our phone, especially as they become a bigger part of the world's most popular messenger apps. If you've tried talking to one of these chatbots, you may have discovered that they're currently pretty poor conversationalists. As you can imagine, building a truly successful chatbot is as difficult as trying to compile all of human history into a simple book. So it's not likely that these bots will be replacing a living, breathing, and most importantly, thinking human being anytime soon. But with billions of users spending more and more time on messenger apps, the only thing that's certain is that the bots are coming.